What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is new product day. I want to show you guys what we're going to be doing for the fuse box for the C10 square body build, and we came up with a bracket now available at gooseperformance.com. Let me show you guys, as a matter of fact. As you guys know, the harness that came with the Blueprint engine crate motor is a GM Performance style, like basically fuse box that really are really crappy to mount. I've always struggled with these things, trying to mount these things, and I've only used it one other time, and we decided to come up with a simple solution, clean bracket that's going to mount this thing, but it's also going to hold up to the heat. Now, that was my biggest thing. I've seen a couple plastic ones out there and stuff like that, and I don't like that. Solid aluminum right there, fellas. Solid aluminum. This thing's just going to go in here. So if you're running a, like I said, a GM Performance style fuse box like this guy here, where it kind of has all the wiring come out of one spot here, and then you got the one tab there and nothing on this side, right? So this little guy there is just going to hook on like so, slide right in there. See if I can do this with one hand, if I can get it to line up properly. There we go. So it's just going to slide in there just like that, right? And then you're just going to press this guy down in there. If I can manipulate this thing. Like I said, this one hand stuff. There we go. So just like that. Slides right in there. Locks in place on that side. And then here you're going to get some hardware. You're going to get 3 bolts, 5/16 bolts with the nut. And then you'll have one that'll hold it down there, so that thing ain't gonna go nowhere. And then you'll have one there that you can mount to wherever your heart desires, and then one on the back side as well. So we're gonna mount this thing underneath the actual dash for this build. As a matter of fact, I'll take you over to the truck right now so you can kind of see what this thing's gonna look like underneath there. All right, fellas, we are at the truck and underneath the dash, and we pretty much got our bracket in position. Now, obviously, mine looks a little bit different. I went ahead and powder coated mine black. Yours will come with the raw aluminum. You can finish it how you want, but I wanted it to be a little bit more discreet underneath the dash just because of where I was putting it at. But you can see it is ready to go. All we got to do is put our fuse box there. This additional bracket I just kind of handmade. Just cut a little bit of sheet metal out and bolted it there. Utilize a couple bolts. There's one up top, I believe, that goes to the brace that holds the dash. That one will end up going there as well once we have everything finalized. Right now, this is just a placeholder because for demonstration purpose, so you guys can see what's going on. But let me see if I can slide that box in place so you guys can have a better idea what this thing looks like. Really underestimated how hard it was going to be to show you guys underneath the dash here, but check it out. It is mounted, locked and loaded, ready to go. Clean, neat, out of the way. And guess what? Accessible. You can check your fuses at any time. Get to it. Make sure everything is good there. But I'm liking it, fellas. But once again, hit the website up at gooseperformance.com. If you guys need one of these will be available. All hardware included. Yeah, I'm upside down, fellas, but hey, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, the like button, hit the bell for notifications, and you guys already know, stay wrenching.